MLF o terrorist o unsang threat ang you're talking
Basically from terrorists. Because we really don't know them eh.
So,
They know
it
us,
is a
we don't know them.
continuous concern.
Oh.
Kung pasagdanin mo anytime, basig mubuto.
And insofar as the MILF, the NPA, we engage them man.
Na naman.
Wala may problema na, may mechanism na ma-engage sila.
Ang terrorist
But how about the Abu Sayyaf? How about the other groups who are really out just to destroy the image of the city? So, we continue to really make sure na in terms of, ingong ganita sa business sector nga, go ahead, pour in your capital, pour in your money, because we will make sure nga we will do our best to protect your investment.
Actually, Attorney Abisado, kana nga gisulti nimo mao gyud na ang pinaka-strength sa leadership ni Mayor Duterte. Wherein business is really confident that if they invest money, it will not be put into waste because it will be maayo ang peace and order. Unya ang mayor dili nakikialam. That's what I heard. One of the strengths of the mayor is hindi siya nakikialam sa negosyo. He provides the good environment for business by policy, by leadership, but he does not kining iyang kamot dili niya gina-appeal dito sa mga negosyante. And that makes the businessman very happy.
That is why we're saying to the best that we can, we will continue that policy. We will provide the kind of environment that business needs so that it will flourish and progress. No? O the government must not dip its finger into the affairs of the business sector.
Yes. So,
but rather engage the business sector to tell us, as sa PAMID, dapat mo improve in terms of policies. No? So that may strengthen pa. No? And if we are able to do that, then I feel we're moving ahead to our goals.
Well, mga igala, nadungog ninyo si Atty. Abisado. Really, he is a caliber of a congressman talaga. Hindi pwede ito pag-councilor. But if you put him there sa council, it will make our city council more vibrant and ang quality niya mal-raise up no, sa level. Now, Atty. Abisado, sa panapos nga istorya, a lot of young voters karon, di ba, daghan. And they may not know you. Sino si Atty. Abisado? Asa kagikan, where you studied, practice law, work experience, and other things.
Ako gikan gyud.
They know you as an administrator, but as a person.
Gikan gyud ko sa Kapobrehon. No, I was born in Surigao City, but we migrated here in the early 60s pa. No, we sundan magunamong papa.
When you say we, your parents, you're with your parents.